Hey beautiful people, how are you doing? This video is in the continuation of the previous one which I have made on winter travel, of what to pack and how to pack, and this will be the part 2, or you can consider it as a part 2 also, wherein you would actually learn and know that how you can in real make your packing bag or the backpack lighter version, and you can carry it on your bag and your luggage is super easy with you all the time and you can travel free, not with the baggage of it. But before that, if you know me, great. If you don't know me, there's a quick sneak peek and a show reel about what I do. And if you have already subscribed the channel, great. If you haven't, subscribe right now. Hit the bell icon button so that you don't miss the next important video which I'm posting about a lot of stuff. So it's about travel, books, reviews, blogging, writing tips, blogging tips, and a lot more. Alright, first thing first, choose the right travel bag or the right suitcase or a luggage for your travel. Now, for example, if you're traveling with family or you're traveling for leisure or a luxurious holiday or a beach travel or maybe a snow travel, then a suitcase and a kind of a duffel bag is recommended. But if you're not doing so, and if you're on a trekking or camping or a long journey wherein you need to carry your luggage on your own and you don't have any helper or a car or a driver or a helping hand to do so, then the rucksack or a backpack is highly recommended. I usually travel solo, so I'm always with my rucksack and backpack. Many people do so, so picking the right travel bag first of all is super important. This video is divided into 3 particular sections. First, we will talk about what exactly to carry in your bags when you're traveling for your winter trip. Then a quick sneak peek or a quick information about what all you can carry in your summer trips also I'm gonna give you. Then in the end, we're gonna be discussing how literally you need to pack in your backpack or a rucksack or whatever you're carrying so that it squishes into a smaller versions and makes it a perfect light travel bag for your coming travel. Let me tell you one thing, I'm considering the minimum 5-day travel plan or 5 or 6 days travel plan for you, but the clothing and the bag size and the different packaging can be increased or decreased as per for how long you are traveling or for how many days you are traveling. So here you go, what you need to pack and what you need to literally keep in your bags for your winter travel. 1 down coat, 2 heavy coats, 2 or 3 sweaters, 2 or 3 t-shirts, 1 warm-legged or a fleece lined legging or a yoga liner, like 2-3 leggings to interchange and use them. Then you should have your beanies and your scarves. If you need a hat, you can keep a hat also, but make sure that it's not bulky and not heavy. Then reusable water bottle, it's a must. I always say be a responsible traveler, use your own water bottles, it's always important. We'll discuss in detail what type of also you can travel. There are many varieties and products in the market. Then sanitizers, of course, your face mask, it's super important now. You should not move out without these. Your tissue papers and napkins. Then of course your denims, your black pants, chinos or trousers, depending on where are you traveling, as in like what type of snow or winter destination you are heading towards to. The boots, the winter shoes, and your socks and gloves. These are the must-haves that go into your bag. Now, winter travel is very unique and different in its own ways, because sometimes you may visit a destination in winters that have loads of snow. So you may are intending to go for a snowboarding or skiing or some adventure snow activities, or maybe you're traveling to a destination where there's no literally snowfall happening, but then they're like snow on the sides and there's a lot of snow on the road. So you're actually kind of experiencing that kind of chilly weather. Maybe you are traveling to the icy and chilling and freezing temperatures and minuses as well in the mountains or Himalayas or etc etc. So winter travel and cold weathers are different as per the destination, so you need to plan. So this is like a brim line which I'm sharing, and you can pack and you can travel according to that anytime. So there's one important tip here, that before you travel anywhere, be it a cold weather or whatever, but preferably the cold weather, because you need to actually check the forecast. Now, if you're traveling for a 5-day or a minimum like 7 to 8 days trip, then an immediate weather forecast is always recommended. It helps you to know what are the weather conditions and situations and road and highway conditions out there. So whether it is a short travel duration or whether it is a long duration travel, weather forecast is always recommended. It's better to be planned rather than just freezing and chilling later on and have regrets of not packing something which is really important for you, right? Let's have a look of some items which you need to carry for your summer travel. I know we are talking about the winter travel here, but then I'm just adding it a little quick list out here so that you have the comparison of what exactly is needed in winters and summers, and some things change and the rest of course are the mandates which cannot be avoided. So first and the foremost, which I am always carrying with me and it's important, is the vacation reeds. So you're at the beach, you're at the sun, you're in the desert and etc etc, but if you're traveling in the summers, your vacation reeds, your books for travel is always a must have. Then you should have your hats and the caps handy. You should also have your socks. Maybe the organic and the soft linen cloths are always recommended, not the wool ones or the merino wools, because so the cotton ones is like they are grippy and they're always better to actually take your sweat in so that you're not stinking. The next comes the sunglasses and the shades. It's super important to protect your eyes, of course, from the UV rays and the scorching sun, and also for the pictures and the Instagrammable photographs and reels. It's important and gives little enhanced look. I love the shades actually, so carry the shades and sunglasses with you. Now, clothing in summers would depend upon how you dress yourself. It's a very personal thing. But as compared to winter travel, summers are always free to clothing and dressing. So from the skirts to the shorts, and from the maxis and the dresses and the camisoles, short leggings with cotton, and lots of cotton and organic cotton and linen dresses can be worn. So it's always experimental in summers and it's great. But if your skin is sensitive to the hot sun out there, make sure that you're wearing your tights and underneath leggings and the arm gloves so that your skin doesn't burn out. You have to carry your bathing suits also. Maybe put one extra, that's fine, right? Make it light as much as you can. Then your hydrating mist, that's important. Your lotion, sunscreen lotion is super important, because especially the zinc based sunscreen lotion, try to keep that. Pack of dry shampoo is always recommended. Why? Because if you're not able to take shampoo on and off while you're like in the pool and all, so your tresses and your hair is always better and clean from the heat and the sun and the dust. So it's always important. Eye drops, because if your eyes are sensitive, so it helps. So keep a small bottle is always recommended. Keep reusable water bottles. You can keep reusable water bottles like hydro mask bottles. I'll give the link in the description. That would actually, so if you prefer lukewarm water also for some reason, so it will keep your water lukewarm, a little warmer or a cooler for a longer time, so you can use that. And also it is a responsible traveling thing, and you guys need to be responsible. Avoid use of more of plastics and buying, so it helps. Mask, sanitizers, wipes, and that's all is recommended. The packing tips of how to pack light for your winter travel. You may be like any sort of travel you're traveling, this will gonna really help to you for all types of vacations, right? I have made a little list now, don't miss it out. The bag you use is very important aspect of how you maximize your space, right? You keep your luggage light as much as you can. And I've traveled with this, like, you know, for around 20 days and maximum 20 days or so. So with just one bag on my back, and it's really, really helpful. The next is keep only those items in the bag that you're gonna need to wear at least twice, all right? Don't make it bulky. Look, I really understand the importance of the best picture in your life because it's kind of a like once in a lifetime ball gown feeling, you know, that makes pretty beautiful photo, but sadly it takes up a super valuable space of your luggage. And if the weather is bad, you really have regrets, and a lot of them, trust you, when you're traveling. So make it super light here. Another way to pack light is you visualize what you wear, right, every day, what needs to be worn twice, etc. This will help you to get a better look at what you want to wear and how much you need to carry. Also make sure that you don't have too many of the same colors, all right? Just avoid that. Take out the things that are more redundant, all right, and eliminate the things that you won't need and are making your luggage a bulkier affair. Leave all the heavy and the bulky toiletries at home. Please don't travel with them. Makeup which is not needed can be avoided, like you can keep one shampoo or one lotion bottle, one mascara for the daily look, 2 or 3 shades of lip crayons, maximum 2 eyeliners, 1 kajal for your eyes. As it is winters, you can avoid keeping your heavy makeup like foundation, stick, etc. Still, if you can't go without makeup, then pack light and keep minimal so that it comes in just one bag here. So here's a tip for you. Many hotels and homestays offer the lotion, the shampoo, the body wash, you know, and you can actually, the dental kit also, so you can actually carry them with you when wherever next you are traveling. But if they are not allowing you to carry that packets or those small bottles with you, you can actually get them in the next hotel. So avoid carrying them. Why to carry these heavy bottles of shampoo and body washes and etc., right? So you can actually save space. The whole idea is to save space so that you are not being burdened, right, with your luggage. Only if you're camping and trekking and you're not staying in the hotel, then you must carry one bottle. And also there are like small travel cubes and packets available. I'll give the link in the description again so you can check them out. I use them. Okay, now coming to the packing types and how to pack the items. Your items should be folded. Roll the t-shirts, shirts, denims, chinos, trousers, and fit them all in one travel cube. The sweaters and the inners can come in one cube and the rest can be divided likewise. It's always recommended. I've tried all the techniques. Trust me, with suitcase, duffel bags, rucksack, backpacks, it works all the time, all types of travel. You can actually avoid and shrink all your bulky clothing as much as you possible, and literally folding all the clothes together one by one will avoid you to make a giant clothes like a burrito, right? It's a must try, guys. Another way how you can shrink and compact your travel luggage is by using the cubes, the travel cubes. They are stretchy, they are of the stretchy material, not the plastics always. You can use the better ones, and the economical also, so that, you know, the bulky sweaters and linens and the trousers and the denims can be folded and they get shrinked. Apart from this, by using the bags and the plastic or the travel bags, is the compressible and the compressed bags. I'm giving the link in the description. Try using them. They actually act like a vacuum, you know, so they take out all the extra air, so you can squeeze compatibly your clothings, the bulkier ones, the heavier ones, and yeah, they can fit in like one cube, so it's easy. These are basically called as the condensed and the compressed bags. They're available anywhere, like from Amazon to the local store, if like whatever you are feasible to buy. Else, if you want to buy directly, I'm giving the link in the description, so you can just directly hit. You don't have to mug your head over to the internet that what to buy and how much I have to pay for it and all, and it's easy for you, so you guys can buy from there as well. Apart from that, there's certain products which I use and I have recommended in this video. The links are the affiliate links in the description. As I mentioned before, these links help me to you know, like just a motivation and support us by a very tiny minuscule commission from the links from the websites where you buy, so that, you know, I get the support to make the YouTube channel going, because it takes a lot of efforts. And please don't skip the ads. Also, there are certain ads. Don't get annoyed and irritated with the ads, because YouTube shows it to a lot of people, and the ads are a way to support us. So I hope you guys understand that and you're being supportive, because it takes a huge amount of effort to bring it all the information at your doorstep. These links are being tried and tested, and I use the products and then only I'm recommending. So if you wish, you can buy, else it is your choice. So no forcing out here. Hope you liked this video. I hope that you found it really informative, and make sure that you're traveling next, you are trying to pack this way. Leave a comment if you're already doing it, and if you would gonna use it, or if you want to buy something else, if you want to know anything more about the packing stuff and how to make your packing and traveling easy and comfortable yet adventurous at the same time, let me know. I'm signing off now. Before I sign off, you need to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, squish it up so that you know what I'm posting next. I actually love when you guys comment. So if you guys comment more and more, YouTube will gonna show a lot of people. And share if you can. You can share it with like anyone you want to who actually needs this information, and we all love to travel, so I think this will gonna be a helpful stuff. If you want to check out the books, because I write books also, and my travelogue, so spiritedblogger.com is the website, and my books link and the author central page is being given in the description. Hit it up, and I'll see you next time soon with another informative one. Thank you so much. Ciao.